Alright guys, it finally arrived after 3 weeks. That's the downside of living on an island. I ordered the side mirrors for my Ford Mustang just to meet the Dutch regulations, because the Mustang is going to be shipped to the Netherlands and I need turn signals on the side mirror, and my car came without turn signals. And I hope this package contains the right items, because it's a real pain in the ass if these are the wrong parts, because I cannot send them back. So let's see. Alright, so inside the big box I see 4 small boxes. So until now it's fine. These smaller ones should be the side mirror caps. 1 and 2. And 2 bigger boxes, and these should be the side mirrors. So the numbers are correct. Now we need to know if these are the right parts that I need. And there she is, the right mirror. It's not only the mirror for the right side of the vehicle, but it's also the right part number. And I bought this mirror just because of the turn signals. This one has integrated turn signals, and it also has all the other functions that my Mustang mirror already has, like the bliss, the blind spot information system, heated mirrors, powered mirrors, and the pony lamp below. This is called the puddle lamp. So until now, all the parts, the first part is correct. Let's unpack the other one. Oh, and for the people that are interested in the part numbers, so this is the part number of the passenger side mirror that I already opened. And this is the part number of the driver's side mirror. So let's open this one and see if it's alright. Sorry guys, I needed 2 hands to open it, so I had to put my phone away and cut it open. Well, at least it's packed very well, like the other one. Alright, and it looks like the driver's side mirror, so that's good. And here she is, the passenger side mirror, with the turn signals and the puddle lamp. Perfect. So this is exactly what I needed. And now we have to check out the mirror caps that goes, as you can see, on top of this here. And I have like one mystery to solve when I'm gonna open this box, because as you know, my Mustang has the Night Pony package, and the Night Pony package contains black side mirrors, black roof, black wheels, black headlights, and black Mustang emblems around the vehicle. And because my mirror caps are black and there is no option to choose when ordering mirror caps, I don't know if these mirror caps are black or they have like the base layer and you have to paint them yourselves. So I really hope these are already glossy black, and if not, I need to go to a body shop to paint the mirror covers to the right color. The mirror caps really look glossy black, and I think I don't need to paint them, but I'm not totally sure. This is glossy black, right? I can even see myself in the mirror caps, but I don't know. It feels like it has a weird feeling. The only way to find out if I need still to paint those glossy black or not is to bring this to my Mustang and compare them to the mirror caps that are on the vehicle. These mirror caps are a little bit different than the ones that are installed on the Mustang because of the turn signals. As you can see, the turn signals are sticking out, and the mirror caps have like a cut. And because of this cut, I cannot use my old mirror caps for these side mirrors. So this is the area where the turn signals are going to stick out. I'm gonna take these mirror caps with me to the vehicle and compare the glossy look of these ones with the ones on the vehicle. If they are exactly the same, I'm gonna leave it as it is. If not, I'm gonna bring it to a body shop and paint it to the right color. But I really think this is it. I had to remove the car cover to check the side mirrors and compare them to this one. And if I put them together like this, you cannot even see a difference. Look. You almost cannot see the difference, but I can feel the difference when I put my finger on this one and if I put my finger on that one. And if I look really, really close, the mirror cap on my vehicle is way more glossier. So you can see the mirror on this one and check the mirror on this one. You see? I can see myself a lot more sharper on this mirror than I can see myself on this one. So yeah, the paint on this one is the base paint. You need to repaint it or put a real paint on top of it to get the finish and to have it like this. Would people see the difference if I just put this one on without painting? No. Is it perfect? No. So I'm gonna paint the mirror caps to the glossy black version. I'm back home. Oh my god, all those boxes. I love car parts. So I called the body shop here on the island, the best body shop that's here. And they said, yep, you can bring them. It's $75 for both of them. So I put them back in the box and I'm gonna drive to the body shop and get them delivered. And let me put those side mirrors back so that the cables will not get damaged. Alrighty, this is the second time that I got my mirror caps back. The first time they screwed it up, and this is the quality of the second try. I cannot see anything bad on the mirror caps right now. This is what I was expecting the first time. I don't even know how they managed to screw it up the first time. Maybe some new guy got the job and now the professional took over. This looks really, really good.